Here are some natural remedies for cold and flu, coughs, and congestion. 1. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help relieve sore throats and reduce inflammation in the body. You can add fresh ginger to tea or food. 2. Honey is a natural antibacterial that can help soothe sore throats and suppress coughing. You can add honey to tea or consume it on its own. 3. Garlic contains natural antiviral and antibacterial properties that can help boost the immune system and fight off cold and flu symptoms. You can consume raw garlic or add it to food. 4. Eucalyptus oil is a natural decongestant that can help relieve coughs and congestion. You can use a diffuser to inhale. 5. Peppermint is another herb that can help soothe an upset stomach and alleviate coughs and congestion. You can drink peppermint tea or inhale peppermint oil to help relieve symptoms. 6. Chicken soup has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce cold and flu symptoms, including congestion and coughs. 7. Elderberry has natural antiviral properties that can help boost the immune system and reduce cold and flu symptoms. You can consume elderberry in the form of tea or syrup. 8. Vitamin C can help boost the immune system and reduce the severity of cold and flu symptoms. You can use supplements or fresh fruits, such as citrus fruits, kiwi, and bell peppers. 9. Zinc has been shown to help reduce the duration and the severity of cold and flu symptoms. You can use supplements or through foods such as shellfish, nuts, and seeds. 10. Saline nasal drops or sprays can help alleviate congestion and sinus pressure. 11. Steam inhalation can help loosen mucus and relieve congestion. You can inhale steam from a bowl of hot water or take a hot shower. 12. Probiotics can help boost the immune system and reduce the severity and duration of cold and flu symptoms. You use supplements or through foods such as yogurt and kefir. 13. Marshmallow root can help soothe a sore throat and alleviate coughs. You can consume it in the form of tea or supplements. 14. Neti pots can help flush out nasal passages and alleviate congestion. You can use a neti pot with a saline solution. 15. Astragalus root can help boost the immune system and reduce the severity of cold and flu symptoms. You can consume it in the form of supplements or tea. Please note that if your symptoms persist or are severe, you should seek medical attention from a doctor.